Right, how we doing, folks? Let's get straight into the video. First things first, we've got a new little upgrade for the RF, if you can see her in the background. So what I'm going to do, roll out the bandit, bring the RF in, and then we'll go from there. First things first, I've just got to put the battery in the RF and then swap them over. So, see you in a minute. Right, change of plan, you can hear me. I'm going to just leave the RF outside, save swapping them over. So, as you can hear, it's quite loud. Just on the choke at the moment. That's the bike without the exhaust on, so it is quite loud. The last time you seen the exhaust, it was the Viper can, still the Viper can. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like now. Right folks, there you go. There is the new Viper can. A nice stubby. It's probably lost about that much. So that's, and I've took all the insulate inside. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to bolt it to the bike. I'm not going to record that, that's quite boring. And then we'll do a nice little sound test with this bad boy on. Right folks, hopefully you can hear me. There is the stubby fitted. So here how she looks. I think this gives the bike a whole new look. Looking cool. So let's see what she sounds like. Out of it, you can already hear the grunt. Give it a few seconds. Oh, that's off the choke now. And there we go folks, new stubby. That's this week's video, hopefully you enjoyed it. Catch you next week.